Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the system. Make sure you have admin rights and the target printer is connected. Once ready, enable print logging. On Windows, enable the print service log in Event Viewer or the print management snap-in, while on Mac OS/Linux, enable CUPS error log and access log. Make sure to restart the service after changing settings. This immediately creates records to read. Proceed only after logs are active, so the next steps show actionable entries rather than nothing. Now locate the records. Open Event Viewer Applications and Services logs Microsoft Windows Print Service on Windows, or check /var/log/cups/access log on Mac OS/Linux. Use filters to narrow by printer name, user account, date range, or job ID so you don't get overwhelmed. Export the filtered results to CSV or text for deeper inspection and sorting. Once done, examine status codes and timestamps to understand who printed what and when. Finish by archiving relevant logs and configuring rotation so files don't consume disk space. Make sure retention matches your audit needs. Cross-check logged jobs against physical printer counters or user reports to validate accuracy. If entries are missing, verify the print service is running, logging level is set to capture access events, and any firewall or security software isn't blocking log write operations. One key tip: restart the print service after changing logging and rerun a test print to confirm new records appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.